Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. CDC overhauls childhood vaccine schedule with fewer shots. IHOP announces the return of its bottomless pancakes deal. Vacation destinations to consider for 2026 include Seattle and Williamsburg, Virginia. Roker goes on the job as a tour guide at New York's Grand Central Terminal. Hyundai's Boston Dynamics unveils a new humanoid robot at CES. Tips to help drive down car insurance costs. Police seek a person of interest in the murder of an Ohio dentist and his wife. A suspect is charged with vandalizing the home of JD Vance in Cincinnati. Venezuela swears in Delcy Rodríguez as interim leader. Well wishes pour in for Savannah Guthrie after her vocal surgery. The Kennedy family mourns the private funeral of Tatiana Schlossberg. The CDC overhauls the childhood vaccine schedule with fewer shots. Flu cases surge, leading to the highest level of doctor visits in nearly 30 years. Congress returns to session on the 5th anniversary of the January 6 riots. Exclusive interview with Donald Trump on the capture of Nicolás Maduro and the future of Venezuela. A lawsuit alleges that McDonald's McRib does not use real pork ribs. A dog is rescued by firefighters after falling into an icy pond. A 14-year-old builds a booming donut business from scratch. The importance of creating lasting memories with grandparents. NBC celebrates 100 years of broadcast news and entertainment. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.